Good day, ma'am. I will discuss to you. I am Clark Sabucdalao from Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, second year A. I will discuss today the RL circuit in first order differential equation. So, for example, we have a circuit that contains 12 volts in a series of 1/2 Henry power inductance and a resistor which is 3 ohms. So in this figure, we determine V I in terms of T at I 0 is equals to 0. So first is we use the formula L di over dt plus R times I. So in this form, we will now plug in those values. So we have the inductance which is 1/2 times the dt plus our value of our resistor which is 3I equals 12. So in this situation, in order for us to cancel out the fraction, we multiply it by 2. So the only remaining will be 1 out. So 1 di over dt is equals to di over dt plus 3 times 2, 6I is equals to 12 times 2 is equals to 24. So after this, we compute in terms of t is equals to e raised to the power of integral of 6 dt. So this will solve in 6e is equals to 6t raised to the power of 6t. So we now get it. We will plug in this to our formula. So we will get di over dt plus our value of r which is 6I is equals to 24 times multiplied which is e raised to the power of 6t. Then we will multiply each, we will distribute for clear. So e raised to the power of 6t times di over dt plus 6 e raised to the power of 6t times I which equals to 6 e raised to the power of 6t. Then we will integrate these values. So we have to factor it. dt is equals to I mean d over di multiply to 6e raised to the power of 60 times I, quantity times t, I mean dt, is equals to 24 e raised to the power of 60 dt. Then, by integrating, we will get e raised to the power of 60 times I is equals to 24 over 6. Then we integrate, they form EU du. So in order to get that, we will get e raised to the power of 60 times I is equals to 4, which is 24 divided by 6, which is 4 e, our u 60, our du, which is plus c. So in this form, for us to cancel to get I is to divide this e raised to the power of 60. So cancel, cancel, cancel. So I, in terms of t, is equals to 4 plus c. Here is it. So c over e raised to the power of 60. So here it is. Now continue. So after we move to power, so this will e to the raised to the power of 60 will become negative 60. So I in terms of e is equals to 4 plus c e raised to the power of negative 60. So as we all know, given I in terms of 0 is equals to 0. So we have the constant. So in order to find the constant, we plug in 0 plus 0 is equals to 4 plus c. So to get the c, we will transpose. So c is equals to negative 4. So that will be our c. So we will now plug in our constant c, which is I in terms of t is equals to 4. So negative positive will be equals to negative 4 e raised to the power of negative 60. So that will be our I in terms of t. That will be all.